Imagine a vast expanse of sand stretching endlessly under a blazing sun, where life seems impossible. This is the Sahara, once a lush paradise teeming with wildlife and greenery. Today, the Sahara is the largest hot desert on Earth, covering an area as large as the United States. But its history is far more intriguing than its current state suggests. Millennia ago, this land was rich with vegetation and rivers. Evidence shows that the Sahara thrived as a verdant region for hundreds of thousands of years before its transformation into today's arid landscape. The change from lush paradise to harsh desert began around 5,000 years ago. Climate shifts and human activities played crucial roles in this dramatic transformation. Scientists study ancient pollen grains and sediment layers to understand the Sahara's past. These clues reveal a tale of changing climates and ecosystems. By analyzing these records, researchers can trace the Sahara's evolution from a fertile land to the desert it is today, uncovering the forces behind this environmental shift. Understanding how the Sahara transformed helps us predict future climate changes and their impacts on our planet, offering insights into the resilience of nature and human influence. This journey through time reveals not just the Sahara's past, but also its potential future, as global warming could alter deserts worldwide, affecting millions of lives. Join us as we explore the secrets of the Sahara, delving into its history to better comprehend our planet's changing climate and the future of our world. Around 5,500 years ago, the Sahara began drying up, transforming lush savannas into arid deserts. This transition was caused by shifting climate patterns and reduced rainfall. Lake Chad, once a vast freshwater lake, has shrunk dramatically over millennia due to drought and human activities. Today, it is a mere fraction of its former size. Prehistoric humans lived in the Sahara during its wetter periods, leaving behind rock art depicting animals like giraffes and elephants, which are now absent. The Sahara's transformation began when monsoon rains shifted southward, reducing precipitation and causing vegetation to slowly disappear. Scientists used pollen records and sediment cores to study the Sahara's past climates and vegetation, revealing a history of green landscapes. During the Holocene climatic optimum, the Sahara experienced increased rainfall, supporting grasslands and forests instead of today's harsh desert. Climate change continues to impact the Sahara, with temperatures rising faster than the global average, exacerbating desertification. Sand dunes, known as ergs, cover much of the Sahara, formed by wind erosion and deposition processes over millions of years. Nomadic tribes such as the Tuareg have adapted to life in the desert, using camels to travel and trade across vast distances. The Great Sand Sea, located in Egypt, is a vast expanse of shifting sand dunes, some reaching heights of over 100 meters. Oases provide vital water sources in the Sahara, supporting local communities and serving as crucial stops for travelers. Desertification, the process by which fertile land becomes desert, threatens the Sahara's borders and nearby regions. Ancient rivers like the Wadi al-Hayat once flowed through the Sahara, supporting life before drying up and becoming underground aquifers. The Sahara is home to unique wildlife adapted to extreme conditions, including the fennec fox and addax antelope. Efforts to combat desertification include planting trees and other vegetation to stabilize soil and prevent further erosion. The Sahara holds significant oil reserves, particularly in Algeria and Libya, driving industrial development despite harsh conditions. Renewable energy projects, such as solar farms, are being developed in the Sahara to harness its abundant sunlight. The Sahara's climate has influenced human migration patterns, with early populations moving to greener areas during drier periods. Rock shelters and caves in the Sahara contain evidence of prehistoric human settlements and cultural practices. The Sahara's transformation from a lush paradise to a desert is a stark reminder of how climate change can drastically alter landscapes. Understanding the Sahara's past helps scientists predict future changes and develop strategies to mitigate environmental impacts. The Sahara's biodiversity, though adapted to desert conditions, remains vulnerable to ongoing environmental changes. Saharan dust storms can affect weather patterns globally, transporting minerals and nutrients over long distances. By studying the Sahara's geological and climatic history, researchers gain insights into Earth's complex environmental systems. The Sahara's transformation began around 5 million years ago, when the Mediterranean dried up, causing an increase in evaporation. This led to the drying of vast river systems, setting the stage for desertification. As global climate patterns shifted, the Sahara lost its lush vegetation. Ancient lakes evaporated, leaving salt flats that sparkle under the sun, a stark reminder of the region's watery past. Wind erosion played a crucial role in shaping the Sahara's iconic dunes. Over millennia, relentless winds sculpted sand into towering formations, creating one of the world's most recognizable landscapes. Today, the Sahara continues to evolve. Dust storms carry minerals across continents, influencing ecosystems far beyond its borders. This cycle highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's natural systems. From lush forests to arid deserts, the Sahara's transformation is a testament to Earth's dynamic nature. Understanding this shift offers insights into our planet's past and future climates. Scientists study ancient pollen grains and soil samples to piece together the Sahara's green past. This research helps predict how climate change might reshape landscapes worldwide. Efforts to combat desertification, like planting drought-resistant trees and creating windbreaks, aim to stabilize soils and prevent further degradation of land. Renewable energy projects, such as solar farms, harness the Sahara's abundant sunlight. These initiatives offer sustainable solutions and economic benefits for local communities. As the world faces climate challenges, the Sahara's history provides critical lessons on environmental resilience and adaptation. Its story reminds us of the importance of preserving ecosystems. Understanding the Sahara's past helps us envision a sustainable future. By learning from the desert's evolution, we can develop strategies to mitigate climate impacts globally. Conservation efforts, including protected areas for wildlife and vegetation, play a vital role in preventing further desertification and preserving biodiversity in the Sahara. Education and awareness campaigns empower communities to adopt practices that conserve water and soil, crucial steps in combating desertification and promoting sustainability. By supporting local initiatives and investing in renewable energy, we can create a greener future for the Sahara and beyond, ensuring its survival for generations to come. Together, we can reverse the effects of desertification, restore degraded lands, and protect the rich biodiversity of the Sahara. Every action counts in this global effort. Let's learn from the Sahara's past and work towards a sustainable future. Join the movement to protect our planet and ensure the survival of its diverse ecosystems for all living beings.